Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it's actually after I did all of this that I'm doing the intro, but I did my muffler delete today and I was really excited and the car came out really good. I really love how it sounds and I'm in love with it because I kept revving it the whole way home and I had fun. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I went to a place in North Bergen close to where I live and they did the muffler for me. He started off by cutting off the original muffler and then he just grabbed tubes, and then what I wanted to do was straight pipe it, and I really didn't know if it was going to be really loud or just like really low, but I knew I wanted it in between because I don't want any problem with the cops or anything like that. So I'm just gonna let the video play out, but right now he's just cutting off the original muffler and getting it prepped for the straight pipe. Alright, as you guys can see, he cut off the muffler and now he just has to straight pipe it to the tip, and he's just going to tack weld it, make sure it's even, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so that's the end of the video. You saw the drive-by and everything. It sounds really good. I love how it revs. And I'm sorry I couldn't get it the before and after. But I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.